Alright, what's up guys? So we are actually going to be working on the carburetor from the 1985 Chevy C20. Went ahead and pulled it off because I took it for a test drive and it actually was not running very well. Looked at the fuel filter that was on there and realized that it had broken and some of the stuff from the tank had gotten into the carburetor. Tried to recover it by putting this new filter on there and it still was not happy. Obviously at that point realized that the stuff had bypassed and gotten through. So we're gonna pull this thing apart and see what's going on. Hope you guys enjoy. See if I can position this so you can kind of see what's going on. And I'll try to rotate so you guys can get a somewhat of a vantage point. And yes, I am on top of a deep freezer right now. I'm in between trying to organize my shop and tools and get this truck going and some home improvement projects. There's a lot going on. Bear with me as I try to do everything and make videos for you guys. Yeah, this thing has seen better days. But what I want to do is pop this front float bowl off. Might even be better if we move you guys around to right here and you can see what's going on. Here we go. So let's see. Straight away. Yeah, no, we're gonna be losing our fuel. 5/16. Looks to be about right. I always try to go in kind of a crisscross whenever I'm messing with flat mating surfaces, just for loosening and tightening, that way they stay kind of happy. And if you know a little bit more about it than I do, let me know in the comments. And if you like what you see, like and subscribe. I don't mind interacting with my viewers. Love talking to you guys, and I love learning new things. So by all means, if I am doing something incorrectly or I don't know what I'm doing, let me know. I love knowledge. And truthfully, I love just messing with stuff. I've learned the little bit that I know just from getting out there and doing it. Trying not to be scared to do it, you know? We're gonna lose a lot of fuel. That's why we have all this here for us. Probably should have drained it outside. Okay, look at that. There's a lot of nastiness in there. Gunk. I want to be able to reuse this gasket, so always try to be careful when you're peeling those off. You don't want to break them unless you want to make your own. Oh yeah, this thing was not happy. Very gummed up. I'll have to pop this back side off too once we get done cleaning this out. Yep. Truth be told, I do not know what I'm doing with these carburetors. But I can say that probably is not too good there. Let's see. I think what I'm going to have to do is take all this apart and clean. That's very sticky. unless that's supposed to be that way. Spin her around. Yeah, this thing sat up for a little bit while I was doing the work to it. So, it sat up with bad gas in it. That was my fault. Should have cleaned it out. Life gets you caught up sometimes. There we go. And that's some horrific looking fuel. I would imagine that's probably why we weren't running correctly. Told myself I was going to use those gloves and I ended up not putting them on. Too late now. I got excited. Look at that. Some good stuff there. I'm going to take both of these float balls outside and clean them out really well. And then this filter cartridge as well. Luckily that can't be unscrewed by hand. Let's see. Because you're supposed to be able to unscrew these and change the element. Let's see how true that is. How serviceable these are. Well, so far so good. I like it. We'll be cleaning that out as well. Probably everything as a whole at one time, and then we will reassemble with the fresh clean filter, and hopefully this thing will be back proper. We'll see you guys in a minute.